So Leo and his new friend started their search all through the big park.
Sparky! It is Sparky! Okay, Sparky, let's go!
Is your name Sparky?
A little blue tag. It had a name written on it. Leo knew he needed to find a grown-up to help. And he saw someone perfect. The kind ranger knew exactly where Sparky's home was.
Look, Leo, those must be the houses. You're almost home, Sparky.
Sparky! Oh, I know Sparky. He lives just on the other side of the park.
I found him. He's lost. His name is Sparky.
Well, hello there, young man. And who is this little friend?